We are shown how to use ChatGPT to create music. Here is what the hottest AI chatbot on the internet suggested when we asked it how it could assist with musical tasks. No, ChatGPT did not produce this article. We did, however, ask the sophisticated AI bot for 5 ways it could assist with musical chores, and here is what it suggested. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model that may be used for natural language processing tasks including text generation and language translation, was created by AI research company OpenAI. The technology was introduced in November 2022 and has since gained notoriety online due to its in-depth and frequently startlingly human-like responses to queries. In summary, you can theoretically ask ChatGPT anything and it will respond. Even though ChatGPT can produce music, it also makes clear that it is not a program for writing music and neither is it a replacement for human creativity or musical ability. The bot touts its abilities as, it can be used as an inspiration tool or a tool to generate new ideas. But the quality of the output will depend on the input and the specific use case. The professional version of ChatGPT, which costs $42 per month, is allegedly still being tested but is currently available for free. However, before you decide to spend the money, let's find out what the hottest AI chatbot in town can do in terms of producing music. Songwriting. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create song lyrics or even finish a song by giving it a title or a theme to work with. Here are some starter questions to get you going. Write me a song by artist, about theme. Write a lyrical poem about subject, in the manner of artist. Compose the lyrics to a song with the title. ChatGPT can be used to create full compositions as well as song melodies and chord progressions. Always keep in mind that ChatGPT is a text-based model, so in order for the bot to function, you will need to input some pretty specific information about things like style, instrumentation, and tempo. By giving the bot a guitar tab from a website like Ultimate Guitar and giving it instructions like, continue this guitar pattern, users can also add to already existing musical pieces. You'll be alright as long as you bear in mind that the results frequently end up being quite experimental, in a 10-year-old trying their first composition type of way. ChatGPT can be used to analyze musical compositions and produce summaries, reviews, or comparisons. Although it's still a work in progress, we've discovered that getting the bot to write a negative review of your least favorite band. You can create music with ChatGPT in a certain genre or style, or even in the manner of a particular band or musician. Sadly, ChatGPT was unable to provide its 5th way of helping musicians: converting audio recordings to MIDI or sheet music. Either that, or we were unable to get it to transcribe Darude's Sandstorm using the appropriate commands. Similar instances of the AI overstating its capabilities have been observed by other users. But who can predict what a year, 5 years, or even a decade of progress would bring?